अरे मेरी तारीफ करो यार, बहुत हो गया। चलो इलेना, तारीफ देना।
इलेना कौन है?
इलेना,
I'm not
इलियाना,
even talking about.
इलियाना प्रेज भी ना, पहली बार मौका मिला है दुनिया के सामने मेरी तारीफ करने का, करो ना।
राइट,
दोनों ने तारीफ नहीं की।
नहीं काफी काफी खुल के
I
तारीफ की।
love this print, but
So she is saying that she loves
शर्ट पसंद है, इंसान नहीं।
नहीं, she is saying that she loves it.
पूरी ऑलमोस्ट पूरी टीम का बर्थडे नवंबर में हो जाता है।
Right.
आई थिंक मेरे जिंदगी में मेरे फादर भी स्कॉर्पियन है, मेरी मासी भी स्कॉर्पियन है, सो आई एम सराउंडेड बाय लॉट ऑफ स्कॉर्पियंस। मुझे तो आज तक बिच्छू का डंक नहीं लगा।
Right.
ये सांप होता है।
Whatever, tail thing.
We hear all these stories कि that editing table पे जो है that chemistry should be coming from.
you're taking this to a completely
नहीं, it is a very serious question.
मैं इसको जानता हूँ पहले से, वो मेरी बहन को जानती है सालों से। So
Yeah.
but how does that have any context to कि अर्जुन रोल में फर्क पड़ जाएगा या फिल्म में फर्क पड़ जाएगा, वैसा होता थोड़ी ना।
Right.
हाय, मैं हूँ अत्या शेट्टी और इलियाना डिक्रूज, और ये है
Arjun Kapoor.
और ये है
Anil Kapoor.
और आप देख रहे हैं बॉलीवुड हंगामा। कीप ऑन वॉचिंग।
Well, it's wonderful to have the Mubaraka team with us, Arjun Kapoor, Ileana and Athiya Shetty. Pleasure having you guys on board Hungama first of all.
Thank you, Faridun.
And
Thank you.
ladies, I have this question for you that how will you? He's playing the double role in the
Yes.
in the movie. So how do you react when you have Arjun Kapoor sitting next to you with his buttons opened and with his
They can't
hairy
keep
chest
the-
and
they can't resist.
any thoughts that you can?
They make sure they look the other way immediately.
Can't keep our hands off him. Look at that. Look at
Don't
that.
think- no,
Look
no.
at that. Look at that.
नहीं, it is becoming tickling. We were talking about the hotness question. आप तो
the
उसमें
hotness.
हंसी मजाक में आप तो टाल रहे हैं.
I think we pay each other more compliments than we pay him.
आप भी निकलवा दो कुछ कॉम्प्लीमेंट, तो मुझे दे नहीं रही है।
I give you, yaar. What do you mean? I give everybody compliments.
एक्चुअली मुझसे
Really?
ज्यादा
हाँ.
I'm
चरण
just
को
part of
कॉम्प्लीमेंट
everyone. I'm part of everyone.
She's saying something. Ileana is saying something.
Ileana.
Please carry on.
इलेना से ना,
You know, it is becoming a different
I
sort
can't
of
be offensive
film
on
if the
Bollywood
ladies they are
drama.
having
What? This
yeah.
is gonna happen.
If the ladies are having these hearts blowing for each other,
Yeah.
then it becomes like a different sort of film altogether.
What?
No, because we are talking
Yeah,
about
What kind of film are you talking about?
they
Farid?
both
Basically-
realized कि
You know,
चाचा वालीजा
it's
बिजी
the
है।
censor board can choose such
I
films.
don't think the
actually.
censor board would object. They're
Ladies
very
oriented मतलब
ladies oriented.
अरे मेरी तारीफ करो यार, बहुत हो गया। चलो इलेना, तारीफ देना।
इलेना कौन है?
इलेना,
I'm not
इलियाना,
even talking about.
इलियाना प्रेज भी ना, पहली बार मौका मिला है दुनिया के सामने मेरी तारीफ करने का, करो ना।
right.
He's very brave to wear shirts that open up all the way down there.
Okay.
It's not a compliment.
I'm saying you're very
At all.
brave. I'm saying you're very brave. It takes guts to do something like that too.
Now you see
Not
how
everyone
proud-
can pull it
I would be
off.
grumpy throughout this interview with you.
Right.
You praise me.
No, why should I praise?
Okay, Arjun Kapoor.
क्या है, तौहीन हो गई मेरी तो।
नहीं ऐसा कुछ
दोनों ने तारीफ नहीं की।
नहीं काफी खुल के
I
तारीफ की.
love this print, but
So she is saying that she loves
शर्ट पसंद है, इंसान नहीं।
नहीं, she is saying that she loves it.
His choice, not at the end of the day.
Right.
It's an indirect compliment here.
समझ में नहीं आ रहा तारीफ कब करेंगे मेरी।
Okay, and Arjun Kapoor, you know, let's have this entire conversation about zodiac signs as well. You have two ladies who are Scorpios.
Zodiac
Correct.
signs.
Both
हमारे
yeah.
डायरेक्टर साहब के
Oh,
You are
you've
a
done that
Cancerian,
your
yeah.
homework
he's
in
surrounded by
count.
हाँ जी.
Scorpions.
You've done your homework in count.
You know, मसला क्या है इलियाना जी, आपको याद ही नहीं रहता. मैंने तो आपको बर्थडे पे आपको मैंने फ्लावर्स दिए हैं सैफ के इंटरव्यू के साथ में.
हैप्पी एंडिंग
You have, but how? That was like 2 years ago.
So I haven't.
याददाश्त
I'm
कमजोर।
surprised that you remember
No.
after 2 years. How many people that you interview every single
But
day?
बहुत personality so strong.
Ileana D'Cruz is someone that you cannot forget. You know, it's something that you don't realize, but you have.
I don't realize that obviously.
भूलने वाली चीज नहीं है।
You're being modest about it.
No,
Okay,
I'm
sir.
not.
What is your opinion about two Scorpio ladies that you have? It's-
Both the Scorpion ladies who have complimented me so much today. अनीस भाई भी Scorpion है वैसे, by the way।
Yeah, we share the same birthday, him and
तो
I.
सब पूरी ऑलमोस्ट पूरी टीम का बर्थडे नवंबर में हो जाता है।
Right.
आई थिंक मेरे जिंदगी में मेरे फादर भी स्कॉर्पियन है,
Oh,
मेरी मासी भी स्कॉर्पियन है, सो आई एम सराउंडेड बाय लॉट ऑफ स्कॉर्पियंस।
Okay.
एंड आई हैव टू से आई गेट अलोंग विद स्कॉर्पियंस।
it's a water sign, Cancerian.
मुझे तो
Scorpio.
आज तक बिच्छू का डंक नहीं लगा।
Right.
ये सांप होता है।
Whatever, tail thing.
मुझे आज तक दोनों का डंक नहीं लगा। They have been a treat to work with both of them. I've really enjoyed myself. But the surprising part for me is that they say Scorpions are temperamental,
Right.
but I have not seen their temperamental side. Actually, मैंने अनीस भाई का भी नहीं देखा. So
Okay.
I'm
Can see
certain
it.
that I'm seeing only half the side of both the people. मैंने वो side.
They're very
dark
good
side-
actresses, basically.
Yeah, the dark side I've not seen.
the dark side.
You don't want to see the dark side.
You don't want to.
What
see
are the
dark
other
side.
Scorpion traits? Are you guys like emotional?
They can
Very
be
emotional.
secretive.
Very emotional.
They speak
Secretive
less.
and emotional.
They don't
Very
express
passionate.
that easily.
तो Cancerian भी वैसे तो Cancerians and Scorpions are
But
similar.
actually,
Very much.
Cancerians have a very good
get
sense of
along.
humor.
I get
And
along
they're
actually
more
very well with
outgoing.
Cancerians.
Huh.
Yeah, I do.
Scorpios, they open up with very few people actually.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, so if they open up with you, then you are
You're
really
lucky.
special actually.
Yeah. I'm very fortunate then. I didn't sense that from either of them.
हाँ.
तो मेरी personality होगी कुछ ऐसी कि
नहीं, absolutely. बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल,
बहुत relaxed थे.
Absolutely. Now, Ileana De Cruz, I have to
Ileana De
ask
Cruz,
you a
yes.
very serious question.
Okay.
Even though we discussed that we will be having only fun on this interview. But what was your honest impression? What was your honest reaction when you were just hearing all these stories that Arjun Kapoor and Athiya Shetty, they are close to each other? And did you have this apprehension कि यार अगर ये लोग close हो जाएंगे फिर मेरा scene
ये
तक क्या होने
कहानियाँ तो
वाला है?
बहुत बाद में शुरू हुई.
Arjun Kapoor.
मेरा क्या हो
please.
जाएगा? What is it?
मतलब in the sense कि that if they are getting so close to each other, ऐसा नहीं हो कि that कहीं we hear all these stories कि that editing table पे जो है that chemistry should be coming from.
You're taking this to a completely
नहीं, it is a very serious question actually.
You know, I don't know किस जमाने में ये होता था.
It is a,
No, I want to know, please.
this is a Scorpio side which is coming in. नहीं देखिए, it is in the lighter vein.
That I'll chop off
It is
Rihanna
in
for Arjun.
it is in line. It is
भाई हम सबको डर ये था कि
बात चॉप ऑफ तक आ गई है.
अर्जुन कपूर हमको चॉप ऑफ करके चले जाते हैं अपना रोल ठीक
नहीं देखिए ये it is in lighter vein, but still my question to you is
You know,
serious.
before I knew
Ileana
them
जी, please,
at all.
honestly बताइए क्या
Honestly
बोलते
बता
हैं?
रही हूँ,
हाँ
बताने
जी,
तो दो मुझे.
जी जी.
So before I even met them and knew them and whatever, I'd read something about it. And my only thing was like, I hope there's no drama on set because I can't deal with
अच्छा.
two sulking co-stars
अच्छा लग
because they're not talking to each other. But there was nothing.
Oh, okay, it was nothing.
I mean, honestly, I think we both talked far more than these two talked on set. He was
Okay.
just busy working on set.
He was,
Actually.
because he was playing a double role.
Yeah,
so
most of the
obviously-
masti was both of us, meaning Athiya and I.
Right.
It's quite strange.
Really, it's actually really
The
fun.
editing table
Okay.
wala thing.
I mean, I know what you're coming
Yeah.
from, where you're making light of the
I mean-
situation, but it's
Right.
actually a bit. It's a bit surprising that two people cannot get along without there being other context put to it. Now, if I know somebody from before and she knows me from before,
Right.
why does that have any bearing on anybody else also working? And it's not going to have any context in the film. मैं इसको जानता हूँ पहले से, वो मेरी बहन को जानती है सालों से. So,
Yeah.
but how does that have any context to कि अर्जा रोल में फर्क पड़ जाएगा या फिल्म में फर्क पड़ जाएगा, वैसा होता थोड़ी ना.
Right.
It's a comfort that you share knowing somebody that makes it easy. It's like me knowing Anil Chachu from before, so I'll get a better role because of that. Isn't it?
Right. You know, Arjun Kapoor.
I got two roles there.
Yeah.
अर्जुन कपूर you know एक शेर है कि खताबार समझेगी दुनिया तुझे बस इतनी ज्यादा सफाई न दे. So this is just basically it means in English it means that if you clarify, issue too many clarifications, that means that something is fishy actually.
But this is the first time somebody's asked us actually in
अच्छा,
this
it has.
promotion.
So
Actually,
it always happens on Bollywood. हाँ?
yeah, this is the first time we've been asked.
बिल्कुल.